Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use the Auto Captions feature in CapCut correctly. So let's get started. Alright, so first open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. Then create a new project and import your video. It can be a vlog, a tutorial, or anything with spoken words. Once your video is on the timeline, you're ready to add captions automatically. Now tap on text at the bottom of the screen and then choose Auto Captions. CapCut will show you a few options here. You can select Original Sound if you want it to generate captions from your voice, or Imported Audio if your speech is from a separate audio track. After selecting that, just hit Start. CapCut will take a few seconds to process your video, depending on its length. Once it's done, you'll see all the captions automatically appear on your timeline, perfectly synced with your speech. Here's the part most people skip: always review the captions after they're generated. Auto captions are really accurate, but sometimes they miss a word or add punctuation in the wrong place. So just tap on each caption box and fix any small errors. You can also customize how your captions look. Tap on a caption, go to Style, and you can change the font, size, color, background, or even add animations. Try to keep the text big and clear, especially if your video is for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Once you're happy with everything, just preview your video and then export it like normal. That's it. Your video now has perfect, synced captions without typing everything manually. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.